Okay, bro, welcome back to the episode 4 of our trading strategy. Today we are gonna talk about order blocks, okay? But first let me remove all of this and let me copy paste this. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, so today we are talking about order blocks. So let's go straight into the topic. Okay, so what are order blocks, okay? As you know, trends or the price moves in trends, okay? So we are gonna draw a little bit of a downtrend right now. We are in a bearish market. The stock market is collapsing. Oh my book. Oh my God. Okay. The stock market collapsed enough. So what do we want to do now? We want to change the direction to the bullish market. Okay. So what we are gonna do? We are gonna go up high and we're gonna close above the recent lower high. Okay, and we already closed, so now we will, okay, here is the break of structure and now we are officially in a bullish trend. Okay, so what is what is order block? Okay, order block is the last move that happens before we change direction with the break of structure. Okay, let me explain you here in this our example. So we were moving downwards. Okay, you can see that we were making lower highs and lower lows, and then we decided at this point that we want to break structure. Okay, so we went up and we broke the structure. So what is an order block in this example? It's the last move downwards that happened before breaking the structure. Okay, so this was the last move that happened to the downside before we broke structure. So order block is just this massive block of orders that happened when the last move downwards happened. Okay, so the move went down. We took all of those orders, because here all of those orders were probably buying orders, because why? We fulfilled those buying orders and then we went up, we broke the structure, and therefore the last move to the downside before breaking the structure is our order block. Okay, so this is basically order block. Order block is a massive range of buying or selling orders that happen that happen before we break the structure. You know what I mean? So now we are in an uptrend. So let's continue now the uptrend and let's show another example of order block but in a bearish market. Okay, so let's go. We are going up, 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 up. Okay, we have bullish market, and now we want to start a bearish market again. So what will we do? We will go down, we will go up, and now we will go down for real. Okay, now we closed, we have again break of structure. So what is now in our case order block? In our case, order block are how annoying, man. Order block in our case are the last selling orders that happened before we changed the direction to the downside. Okay, so this was the last move upwards. Okay, this was the last move up. So this range right now here is our order block. You know what I mean? Because why? Because here we were having so many selling orders. Okay, those were all selling orders that got fulfilled, and then at these selling orders, okay, the sellers had more power than the buyers, so the price started to collapse. Okay, it's that simple. So now let's go to the charts again. Let's mark our movement. Wait, let's go. So here we have midnight, here we have Tokyo session, and here we have London session. Wait, I cannot see. Where is London session? Here. Okay, so now let's go again. Let's follow from the midnight and let's mark all of the order blocks that we have. Okay, so let's go. In the midnight, before midnight, we were in bullish market. So let's go. We are still bullish. We are still bullish. We are still bullish. We are still bullish. Down, up, bullish. Down, up, bullish. Down, up, bullish. Okay, now we are bearish. Why? Because we closed here. Okay, look, let me make this a little bit bigger. We closed with this candle here. Okay, so now this is a break of structure. Okay, so what is, okay, this is break of structure to the downside. So what was the last order block upwards before we broke structure to the downside? Look, those two candles. Okay, here to here, this was the order block. You see the last move up and then move down. Okay, so now we are in a downtrend. Okay, let's now try to see what happens. So now we are downtrend. Now we are downtrend. And okay, here, look, here again, we break structure to the upside. Okay, so what was the last move to the downside before we broke structure into a bullish market? This, you see, this candle to this candle. So this is order block. Okay, this is another, this is now bullish order block because now we are in a bullish trend. Okay, good. So we are bullish, we are bullish, we are bullish, we are bullish, we are still bullish, we are bullish. Oops, we are not bullish anymore. Alert, alert. With this candle, we are not bullish anymore. So what was the last move? Now we are in a bearish market. So what was the last move upwards before we broke structure? This candle, exactly. You always have to mark the same color candles. Okay, so when we break structure to the downside, as we did right now here, then we are marking only the last green candles. Okay, only the last green. Look, this is not an order block because the candles don't have the same color. This is a red candle and this is a green candle. We only take the same color candles. Okay, so this is an order block. Okay, good. So now we are in a bearish market, so we have to monitor highs. Bearish, bearish, I don't see here good enough. Up, down, bearish. Okay, and okay, what happens? We broke structure again with this move. Okay, we broke structure. So what was the last candle to the downside? This one, exactly, this one. Why? Because look, it's the last red candle before we have a bullish break of structure. Okay, so yeah, that's a bullish order block. Okay, now we are in a bullish trend. Let's follow. Okay, bullish, down, up, 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 bullish. No, not anymore. We broke structure right now here. We broke structure here. Okay, so now we are in a bearish market. Okay, this was a bearish break of structure. So what was the last move to the upside before we broke structure? Those two candles, look, those are the last two green candles. So this was our order block. This was our order block. Okay, this was our bearish order block because then we broke structure to the downside with this bearish break of structure. Okay, so now we are in a bearish market. Bearish, 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 bearish. Not anymore, bro, not anymore. We broke structure to the upside right now here. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that now we are in a bullish market. So where was the bullish order block? The last green, the last red candle that happened, it was this one. okay? So now we are in, as you can see, now we are in a fucking bullish market, okay? And this was actually the trade that I took. You see here, this order block matches with the order block right now here from my trade. So what actually happens, okay? When we have an order block right here, for example, the price tends to always go down to the order block to retest the order block. Why? Because look, if we have this move to the downside with this little candle here that caused the order block, okay, then actually here are a lot of buying orders. Why? Because, you know, people were buying here, they were buying here, you know, they were all buying here within that order block. So then wouldn't it make sense that if there were so many buying orders here that we moved to the upside, wouldn't it make sense to repeat those buying orders so that we can be 100% sure that we will go to the upside, okay? So as you can see then, bro, the price actually then, this is an order block, the price actually reversed back down and then it went up. And this was the exactly like my mentality when I took this trade, okay? We came to the order block, careful, we must not go below the order block, okay? The candlestick wick, not even this little stick, you see this little hanging dick, okay? This little hanging dick cannot go beyond the order block, okay? This candle must not go, even the wick, it must not go through the order block, okay? In order for the order block to be valid, okay? So you can see the price went down again, it fulfilled another pack of orders, and then the price absolutely exploded. And unfortunately with this move to the downside, I got stopped out. So yeah, I missed another nice trading opportunity, but I'm still learning. So it's about trying to correctly predict where the price goes, okay? I don't care about the money. Okay, so yeah, those are order blocks, you see? And then when we will break structure again, we will have another bearish order block that is going to be only consisting of green candles, okay? So yeah, those are order blocks. I know that this might sound a little bit confusing, so let's just repeat again just in case, okay? So order block is essentially when we are moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? And then we break structure. Wait, sorry, this, I don't know what is happening. Let me go to, let me move a little bit higher. Okay, so what is order block? Just a quick recap is move down, move up, move down, move down, move down, move down, move down. Okay, and then we go up, we break the structure here, okay? And the last move downwards is an order block. This is an order block, okay? And then we retest the order block. We don't close, okay? The wick doesn't go through the order block. We retest the order block, and then we go up. We go up, 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 up. We break the structure right now here. What is order block? The last move upwards. This is our order block now. Okay, the price goes, retests it, and then down, 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 down. So yeah, that's basically it, bro. That's it. Super simple concept, okay? Feel free to also join our trading Discord, okay? It's called Stock Manipulators. Here I'm putting also daily analysis every single day, trade breakdowns, like I'm gonna break down this one right now. Then we also have self-improvement. That's it, bro. We are just a trading community discussing about trading, discussing about order blocks, trading strategy. It's that fucking simple, okay? Feel free to join. It's free. I'm not selling anything, bro. I'm not a fucking guru. I'm just a young man trying to make money. That's it, okay? Do the hard work, bro. See you in the next video. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world.